Welcome back to Autocars Play, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a name that carries a lot of heritage and nostalgia, the 2025 Toyota Cressida. Yes, the legendary Cressida is making a comeback, and Toyota is blending classic sophistication with cutting-edge technology to redefine what a premium sedan should be. If you remember the Cressida from its golden days, you know it was all about elegance, comfort, and smooth performance. Well, Toyota is keeping that DNA alive but taking it to an entirely new level. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Cressida is expected to come with multiple engine options, including a powerful 2.5-liter hybrid system and possibly a turbocharged inline-4 for those who crave extra performance without sacrificing efficiency. Rumors even suggest Toyota might include an all-wheel drive variant for enhanced handling and stability, making the Cressida more versatile than ever. With Toyota's latest hybrid technology, expect exceptional fuel economy while delivering responsive power for city drives and highway cruising. Moving inside, the Cressida promises an upscale, premium experience. The cabin will feature plush leather seating, soft touch materials, and advanced noise insulation to give you a serene and comfortable ride. A large 12.3-inch infotainment display will dominate the center console, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest connected services. Add to that a fully digital instrument cluster, an available panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting to set the perfect mood for every journey. The rear seating area is also expected to offer generous legroom and luxurious touches, making this sedan ideal for families and executives alike. On the tech and safety front, the 2025 Cressida will come equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and even automated parking features are likely standard. Advanced driver assist technologies, combined with a robust body structure, ensure that safety remains a top priority, aligning with Toyota's long-standing reputation for reliability and peace of mind. The exterior design of the Cressida is where Toyota really wants to turn heads. The sedan is expected to have a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette with sharp LED headlights, a bold front grille, and stylish alloy wheels. The overall look is modern yet pays homage to its iconic past, making it a perfect blend of classic elegance and futuristic appeal. Whether you're pulling up to a business meeting or heading out for a long drive, the Cressida is built to make a statement. With an expected launch price that positions it competitively among premium sedans, the 2025 Toyota Cressida could be a game-changer for those seeking luxury without the steep price tag of European rivals. So, if you've been waiting for a car that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with premium styling and modern tech, the new Cressida might just be your dream come true. Stay tuned for more updates because this comeback is one you don't want to miss. Do you want me to also create a clickbait YouTube title, description, top 10 related titles, and 20 trending hashtags for this video?